Welcome! This video shows how to install and use Brighticonic solar sign lights. Read the instructions first and charge in sunlight before use. On-off switch is a tamper-proof design, and to activate the light, press and hold down the pin for 1.5 seconds. Scan the QR code for more troubleshooting tips. Ensure the tab clicks onto the bracket. There are multiple ways to mount these lights. We will look at some of them. I've assembled the two brackets together. Now we just need to screw the small bracket to the wall. All the hardware comes included in the packaging. There should be two brackets mounting screws, anchors, and activation pin. Ensure that there is nothing obstructing the light, such as a tree or street lights or bushes. This style mounting allows for space between the wall and the light for flexibility. As you can see, we have mounted it on top of a house number sign. The small bracket can also be mounted as shown. You may run into situations where different screws need to be purchased from the hardware store. This step allows you to slide the larger bracket in and out. You can also mount the light using a strong double-sided tape as shown. For small, thin signs like this yard sign, you will need to use small nuts and bolts. As you can see, we were able to mount two lights on this thin sign. Here are examples of ways to use these lights. For signposts, you have a few options. Mount bracket from the bottom of the signpost, you get a nice clean look. Here's what it looks like. For top of the post mount, you will mount the bracket from the top as shown. Looks great at night. Another option is mounting with this bracket, which only comes with the single pack, not the 2-pack. This bracket works well in mailbox or wall applications. Looks great at night. We do offer a no-drill bracket style option for quick setups or off-grid use. You can purchase these brackets separately. Finally, enjoy your lights.